2020 has seen the human race reel from the devastating effects of a deadly virus and watched it sweep across the planet in a global pandemic. Now, no one can predict when the next pandemic will occur, but you can be sure of one thing: it will happen. Destruction of biodiversity and habitat will continue to provide the perfect storm of optimum conditions for even more diseases to plague humans that emerge from nature. Now, one good thing about COVID-19 and its zoonotic cross-species transmission of the virus SARS-CoV-2 from animals to humans emerging from the wet markets of China is that it draws attention, and so too, hopefully, to these videos, to the vital link between humans and the well-being of our ecosystem and how they're interlinked. The destruction and invasion of rainforests and wild landscapes for road building, logging, mining and hunting will trigger more pandemics. These places harbour so many species of animals and plants, and within these creatures and plants are so many unknown viruses, bacteria and microbes. And so invasion of these natural spaces provides the perfect conditions for new microorganisms like SARS-CoV-2 to jump from animals and infect humans. David Quammen, author of Spillover: Animal Infections and the Next Pandemic, recently said in the New York Times, if we cut trees, we kill animals or cage them and send them to markets. We disrupt the ecosystems and shake these viruses loose from their natural hosts. And what happens? They need a new host, and we are often it. And so the list of spillover diseases jumping from animals to humans continues to grow. We have Ebola, a deadly virus that infects humans from the consumption and chopping of infected chimpanzee meat. We have HIV from the consumption and handling of infected chimpanzee meat. We've got SARS coronavirus from bats, MERS from camels, and other illnesses like rabies, toxoplasmosis, Q fever, dengue fever, avian influenza, and anthrax. And these pathogens are on the rise, crossing over from animals to humans, and they are often able to spread quickly to new places. The US Centre of Disease Control and Prevention estimates that 3/4 of new or emerging diseases that infect humans originate from non-human animals. We are going into largely undisturbed places and being exposed more and more to these new microbes. We're creating habitats where viruses are transmitted more easily, and then we're surprised when we have new ones. There are countless pathogens out there, and they are constantly evolving, and they will at some point pose a threat to humans. The new diseases are likely to spring up in urban as well as natural environments, as we live in such densely packed populations alongside bats, rodents, birds, pets and other living things, which create intense interactions and provide opportunity for new pathogens like viruses, bacteria and microbes to move from species to species.